So today is the day that I finally moved to Disney World. I feel like I've been making videos for months and that's because I have, so if you've been following along, thank you so much. But yeah, today is going to be the travel day. I'm getting on my Aer Lingus flight from Manchester to Orlando today and we're staying in the Pop Centre Resort, so I'm going to be meeting all the girls that I'm going to be going out with. And yeah, I'm ready and Daisy's getting ready as well. She's going to say goodbye. But yeah, I got this cute little outfit on and yeah, it's very real now and I'm very excited, so come along and let's enjoy the journey. So this is the outfit for today. I have my Wicker Man jacket on. I'm only wearing this because I want to bring it with me for the winter time and it's quite big to pack, but it is actually really comfortable for a travel day. I got my Stitch t-shirt on, which has Stitch on the back, you'll see one day. My little cycling shorts and my cutie trainers. So yeah, this is the outfit today. I may not be looking this glamorous in a few hours when I'm on the plane, but I'm excited. Oh, and Mrs. is very tired, but I think the adrenaline is keeping me awake because it's currently like 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, that was a good day.
It's probably Mia.
Oh, there's a
Our own private shop. We are officially checked in. I've got my ticket and I've dropped off my bags and they were not overweight, thankfully. So there we go. We're just getting ready to fly out here with all the girls. And yeah, there's a really long line. Yeah, got a ways to go.
Airplane mode. I haven't updated in probably a couple hours and that is because travel days are very stressful and there's a lot going on, but we finally made it to Pop Century and we got given our little CLP badges, so we're all checked in and I think today we are going to go for basically a little wander on the Skyliner route, maybe see the fireworks, so I feel like that's going to be really cute. Hopefully I know where I'm going. Hold on, let me figure this out. Here, yes, I found the right place. And we're in the purple building, so yeah, we're in the 50s building. But let me find a good spot. This is kind of where we're situated. There's the lovely 50s building there, and we're right next to the Lady and the Tramp statues, which I think is so cute. But yeah, I'll go around and show you those, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the travel day. So yeah, it was pretty smooth. So we did fly with Aer Lingus, as you probably saw through the little compilation, and the food was really nice. And yeah, I just basically watched the Barbie movie and the Super Mario movie on the flight, and then yeah, I guess the rest of it we were just chatting and getting to know each other, and it's really nice to speak to the girls, and I'm really excited to go out tonight. But yeah, I'm so glad that I've managed to freshen up, because honestly I needed to. But I've got my new Stitch Lounge fly on, and as I say, got my CRP badge too. This is outside the area where we're staying, and I'm very excited because I love these giant Disney statues. So we've got Lady over here, she's a queen. There she is. And then there's the giant doghouse, and there is the tramp over there. And yeah guys, it's literally, I think it's like 34 degrees right now. Yeah, we have made it to Walt Disney World. So it just feels so surreal to be here. I think everyone, including myself, all of the girls, we just keep saying it's super surreal that we're actually living and moving here for basically the entire year. I mean, it's not basically the entire year, it is the entire year. But yeah, we decided to stay at Pop Century, I think mostly because it's one of the Skyliner resorts. If we walk over here, so this is literally 5 minutes from our room, we actually get to see the Skyliner, which is absolutely amazing. I've never stayed on the Skyliner route, so it's just really nice to just be able to hop on the Skyliner. And as I say, I think we're gonna go over so that we can look over the top of Epcot, and yeah, just see where we're going to be working for the year, and then just enjoy the vibes. So let me just show you over here. I can see Art of Animation and all of the Skyliner. What are they called? Are they called pods? Little Skyliner pods. But here we are, this is the view. This is absolutely insane. Like, guys, I'm gonna be living here for the entire year, and I'm gonna take you along for the journey. So thank you for following along so far. I am genuinely so happy that you've all been able to follow me up until this point, and we're finally here. We're finally here. And I'm very excited. I think all of us got chicken strips. Yeah. Instagram, I've got 2 pills. Oh, sorry. I didn't realise. Yeah, don't mind me, guys. We've got chicken strips and drugs. So we got on the Skyliner. Now we're gonna no, we got off the Skyliner. Now we're getting back on.
Going round.
Hello. You want to say hello to the vlog? Yeah. So as you might have been able to see, I have been spending the morning doing a little bit of editing. There's a squirrel right there. We love that for me. I woke up kind of early because I'd slept for 8 hours. I went to bed at around 10 p.m. I woke up around maybe like 6:30, which is kind of like a usual Emma wake up time anyway. So I had a shower, came down to the main area. I think it's called the Classic Hall here. But yeah, I managed to get some of the video editing done. Did you hear? We just went, ooh. Yeah, I managed to get some of the video editing done, and then, yeah. Now I'm going back to the room to see the girls because I think they're probably awake now. But yeah, it's really nice to be able to get up in the morning, have a walk around because it's a hell of a lot cooler than walking around at like midday. But yeah, I'm so happy that I managed to get all of that done. So yeah, I think we're gonna have a bit of a chill day, have some breakfast. There's literally a squirrel in the tree. They're everywhere right now. Don't really know what to say apart from I actually had a really nice sleep, and I think I may have actually potentially fixed my jet lag by staying up really late last night. So I'm hoping that's made it a bit easier to adjust to the time zone. One thing that I love about the resorts as well is that loads of people actually decorate their windows. So as you're walking along, you'll see things like these Lilo and Stitch plushies in the window, and people have got stickers. And I'm pretty sure I saw some for the 4th of July as well, because it's gonna be really loud around here because of all the fans. But yeah, it's kind of that season. I'm very tempted actually to put my Dale plushie in the window or my new emo or something, because I don't know, it feels like it's the Disney spirit. They literally have flags over there, like a German and a American flag. I wonder if they're from Germany perhaps. Oh, look at the sun streaming in, it's so good. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna catch up with the girls and then figure out what we're doing today. Also, ignore the horrible hair that I have because I'm still drying it. I figured that the Floridian heat might dry my hair just like a hairdryer.
There's a lot of orange. That's a very rare red one.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner
very yellow
and Disney
orange.
Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
For some dinner and then to see the fireworks, so it's going to be really, really cute. So yeah, that's what this evening is going to be, and I think that's where I'm going to end this vlog because tomorrow I am moving into Flamingo Crossings. So yeah, last little Disney bit, and then it's going to be proper working time. This place is so dangerous for me because Stitch is my favourite character, and that's because we've come to the Polynesian. Oh my god, this is so cute. Even got stitched socks. I want a stitch. Oh my god, I love this. A stitch bum bag. Except that I will never wear this, but I need it all. Apologize for my singing, sorry.